Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. Today we gonna see about an interesting problem which was frequently asked in top MNC company. Find the connection between the number of letters in the athlete's first name and the number of medals won for each type for medal, including no medals. Output the length of the name along with the corresponding number of no medals, bronze medals, silver medals and gold medals. First let's see our sample table before getting into the problem. By giving select asterisk from table name. And try to see the expected output. Let's break down this SQL query step by step, focusing on each part involving the case when statements. Finding the length of each name. We start by using the length function along with substring underscore index to split the name at the space and calculate the length of the first part. This gives us the length underscore of underscore name for each athlete. Counting the number of athletes with no medals. Also give the proper alias name and try to run code. We are done with the first step. Now we need to do the next using case when. Counting the number of athletes with no medals. We use the case when statement to evaluate each row. If the medal column is null, we assign a value of 1. If the medal column is not null, indicating the athlete won a medal, we assign a value of 0. By summing up these values, we get the count of athletes with no medals as no underscore medals. Now second column also got executed, but this is not our output. Only for understanding we running query. So case when will be case when, then, else, then dot end. Counting the number of bronze medals. We employ another case when statement to assess each row. When the medal column is bronze, we count it as a bronze medal. Otherwise we set it as null. By counting the occurrences of bronze in these evaluations, we determine the number of bronze underscore medals. Counting the number of silver medals. We use a case when statement to evaluate each row. When the medal column is silver, we consider it as a silver medal. Otherwise we set it as null. We count the occurrences of silver in the evaluation to determine the number of silver underscore medals. Counting the number of gold medals. Similarly, we employ another case when statement to assess each row. If the medal column is gold, we designate it as a gold medal. Otherwise it is set as null. By counting the instances of gold in the assessment, we establish the count of gold underscore medals. By following these steps, we effectively calculate the number of silver and gold medals earned by athletes. These detailed breakdowns help us understand how the SQL query uses case when statements to categorize and count specific types of metals. Grouping data by name length. Finally, we group all the results by the length_name to analyze the medal statistics based on the length of each athlete's name. Finally, while running query, we got our output at 986 seconds. Thanks for tuning in today for our SQL coding session. We've tackled some interesting challenges together, and I hope you found them engaging and informative. Remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next exciting coding challenge. See you all tomorrow for another intriguing problem to solve. Until then, happy coding and keep exploring new horizons in the world of tech. See you tomorrow.